Hello friends, welcome back to Momentum Stocks. In this video, we are going to discuss about Nifty, Bank Nifty, and we are going to talk about one strong and one weak stock for October the 4th, which is Wednesday. It's also going to be Bank Nifty's expiry, friends. So, coming straight to the topic, in the previous video, we had given or we have considered Tata Consumer Strong. Okay, see from here, first candle was negative, it was a gap down, just like Nifty and Bank Nifty. It has covered the complete gap. That was where it was first resistance was there, from where it came down again upward momentum, again down, and it closed somewhere here. Now this particular trend line, which is already there on the chart, is already broken, and the low of that candle is not broken. Secondly, this became a strong support zone, friends. So you can still be on buy side until the support is completely broken. Talking about the sell stock, we had chosen Kotak Bank for sell. Okay, there were 3-4 reasons that I gave you. One was a breakdown, there was a double top pattern here, and you have seen in the first candle itself, this would have been your target, which was met. After that, what it did is it went up, made another double top, but did not perform. However, there was a downward momentum seen, there was a breakdown seen, and a retest at the same level. Good possibility of fall can come till here or till here in tomorrow's trading session, friends. Coming to Nifty, Bank Nifty. Nifty, I have showed you a inverted head and shoulder pattern like this. Left shoulder, head, and a right shoulder. There was a clear breakout and straight upward momentum. It again came down to the same level and closed there. We were bullish on Nifty here, but then due to global weakness, Nifty could not perform from this level. It continued to fall. It went below the head, and the worst part is it did not come and stay or close any candle in this particular gap. That is the reason. Now, if this was just because of global weakness, we would have waited for it to come to this level again. It would have closed the gap, but today what has happened is it could not close the gap, and it continued to be or stay below that level itself. Now what next? What next is simple, friends. We see a breakdown like this, followed by a retest at this level and a fall. Now if I am looking at this on a larger time frame like this, okay, what we see is we see a pole like this, a downward pole, and this is your flag. So this can be a fallen flag. Breakdown is already done. Continuation of downward trend is possible. Now till yesterday, this area momentum of this one was our market's momentum, that is Indian momentum. This is imported, friends. This is not our momentum, this is imported momentum. Because of this, you can see downward momentum. Now due to the price action that happened today, the possibility of downward momentum has started again. Moreover, if you are looking at global markets right now, we see Dow above 388, 400 points down, and you see red and blood everywhere. So good possibility of a fall that can be expected. Talking about Bank Nifty, similar story here, friends. Just one difference in Nifty and Bank Nifty is Nifty has broken this particular low already and is sustaining below that low. In case of Bank Nifty, this low is not broken yet, and it is sustaining above that. So there is a possibility of it to go little up, and that's when it might face its rejection and it can continue going down again. Now, just for the sake of convenience, if I am drawing a Fibo from the recent top, which is here, to the recent bottom, which is the day before yesterday, so 27th bottom, what we see is it has not even retraced till any of these levels. Okay, on 27 it has retraced till here, and then it has fallen. So this also can trigger your double top pattern like this. Okay, so this is your first top like this, this is your second top, and it can give a fall. But then when if a fall had to come, friends, it should have come today only. Only thing is there can be a fall, a pause, and a continuation fall again tomorrow. In that case, you will see further downward momentum in next 1 or 2 days, friends. That's what we see in Bank Nifty. However, tomorrow in the first hour, I see a gap down. If there is a gap down, then there can be some recovery followed by a fall again, is what I strongly feel. Are we bullish, bearish? We are sideways to bearish on Bank Nifty, sideways to bullish on Bank Nifty, and we are sideways to bearish on Nifty, friends. Talking about the strong stock, we see Ultratech Simco as strong. The reason is simple. You have seen it has made a high today, a top, when Nifty and Bank Nifty was underperforming, after which it could not sustain, came down to the same level, but it formed a proper support at this level, just like Tata Consumer. Similar thing happened but it happened at this level itself. From here again it started going up. Now if I'm drawing a Fibo from the recent bottom to top, let me show you something. This is the recent bottom, this is the top. You have seen that it has already touched the 38.2 levels, or in this case this should actually be 68.4 levels. I'll just reverse it for you. See, 61.8 levels is already touched multiple times. Now if this breakout comes, okay, which will look something like this, so you will have multiple reasons to buy here. Okay, so in this case, after this breakout is what you can buy for this particular high or top. Another thing, if I am drawing a Fibo from recent bottom, which is this, to the top, you have seen that it has come to exact 38.2 levels, from where the possibility of going up is the highest. See, this is the 38.2 levels. Don't look at this Fibo, I'm deleting it. This is the 38.2 levels from where it has turned upwards. So you can create a buy position here itself for the top as a target, which is this area. Coming to the weak stock, we are seeing Infi as weak, friends. Why? See, if I'm drawing a trend line like this trend line is almost broken here in this candle, and then there is a retracement kind of a situation here, and then you see a clear fall like this and a retestment again. So if I'm drawing this trend line little more carefully like this, okay, the breakdown has not yet come, but any candle below this can trigger a fall. First level will be this bottom, and then it can go further down. Do we have levels below that? The answer is yes, friends. There are levels still here, so there can be a fall followed by a continuation till this level. So that's about it today, friends. Hope you enjoyed the video. Wish you a profitable day. Thanks for watching and have a nice day ahead.